Most failures are preventable. Welcome back to BrewFix. Today I'm going to give you something simple but powerful, a structured 5-step health check that can prevent most espresso machine failures before they become expensive breakdowns. Most people wait until something leaks, overheats, or loses pressure before taking action. But by the time symptoms are obvious, damage has already been accumulating internally. Espresso machines do not fail suddenly. They deteriorate gradually under scale buildup, seal wear, thermal stress, and flow restriction. If you check the right systems regularly, you catch problems early and protect both performance and lifespan. This crash course is about shifting from reactive repair to preventative control. Leak detection. Find weakness before it escalates. Leaks rarely start dramatically. They begin as microscopic seepage around fittings, group seals, valves, and boiler connections, and if left unchecked, they cause corrosion, pressure instability, and electrical risk. A proper leak check involves inspecting beneath the machine, around the pump, near the expansion valve, around boiler joints, and under the group head after warm-up. Even minor moisture near compression fittings can indicate seal fatigue or scale pressure buildup inside pathways. Early detection prevents cascading damage. A 10-minute inspection today can prevent a pump failure or boiler corrosion tomorrow. Pressure stability test. Smooth build, steady hold. Pressure should rise smoothly during extraction, hold consistently under load, and release cleanly when the shot ends. If pressure spikes abruptly, fluctuates during brewing, or struggles to reach target range, internal components may be degrading. Worn expansion valves, partially blocked solenoids, weakening pumps, or deteriorating seals often reveal themselves through unstable pressure behavior long before complete failure occurs. Observing pressure dynamics instead of just peak numbers allows you to catch hydraulic imbalances early. Stability is more important than the exact pressure value. Heat recovery test, the invisible performance killer. Thermal stability determines extraction quality and component longevity. After pulling a shot, the boiler should recover within a predictable time frame without overshooting excessively or lagging dramatically. Inconsistent recovery often indicates scale buildup reducing heat transfer efficiency, faulty temperature probes sending inaccurate readings, or aging heating elements struggling to maintain performance. Many users blame grinders or beans for inconsistent flavor when the underlying cause is unstable heat recovery. Monitoring temperature behavior regularly protects both espresso quality and mechanical lifespan. Flow restriction check, the silent blockage. Flow restrictions develop gradually as scale accumulates inside pipes, solenoids, and dispersion screens. Removing the portafilter and observing naked group flow reveals early signs of uneven dispersion, pulsing water streams, or reduced volume output over time. Reduced flow increases pump strain, alters pressure behavior, and destabilizes extraction. Blockages rarely present as total failure. Instead, they slowly compromise performance. Regular flow checks prevent expensive hydraulic stress and preserve internal component health. Scale risk evaluation, the long-term threat. Scale is the most underestimated threat to espresso machines. Mineral content in water deposits inside boilers and pathways over time, reducing heat transfer, increasing pressure strain, and narrowing internal channels. Evaluating water hardness, monitoring descaling intervals, and inspecting internal components for buildup prevents long-term degradation that often leads to catastrophic boiler damage or pump burnout. Scale does not just affect taste, it silently shortens machine lifespan. Understanding your water and maintaining preventative descaling routines protects your investment. From awareness to structured prevention, what we covered today is the 5-step health check that every serious espresso owner should perform regularly. But if you want the complete printable checklist, preventative maintenance schedule, diagnostic decision flow, and professional system I use to keep machines stable and long-lasting. That's exactly what I built into the Espresso Machine Repair Master checklist. Instead of reacting to breakdowns, you'll have a structured preventative system you can follow consistently.